Now, we had something happen last night that could have destroyed everything up here. And I came into my shop this morning and it was completely full of smoke. This is scary. These are the things that every woodworker is always thinking about. Just that one little thing in your shop that can go wrong. This outlet right here runs one of our kilns. This box was put in by a professional 15 years ago. This kiln's been running all the time. But all of a sudden, one day, I come in and we could have lost the whole shop here because nobody was in here. This thing has melted the outlet to this. It has melted everything inside the box and burnt this 2x6 behind it. How I didn't lose my shop, I don't know. Do not do your electrical by yourself. I didn't do it here, but you really got to keep a good eye on everything in your shop all the time when it comes to electricity and the sawdust. I mean, all the wires here are melted and fried. 25 years in this shop, all the stuff that can go wrong. And this is the first time we've ever had anything like this happen. So don't jerry-rig your electric in your shop. Don't hook tools up to things they shouldn't be hooked up to or using the wrong wiring. Everything here was done right, and I still had this happen. So my electrician's on the way. He's going to come and take a look at it. It's not the electrician that actually put this box in because this was done so long ago, but I want to have it diagnosed so that we can hook this machine back up if we didn't cook the controller and get this thing running today because we just loaded it yesterday. I turned it on last night. Everything was working. I went inside after work, came out this morning, like I say, and everything was burnt up in the shop, stunk like electrical. So he's on his way to fix this. This is nothing I want to deal with right now. There's no way I can take care of this, and I want to diagnose the problem as well. All right, so the electrician came and fixed my box to my dry kiln, got it all wired back up. What we found out was there was sawdust packed in that box. How did the sawdust get in there? There was a little plug on the top of that outlet box that was missing. And I didn't see it, my electrician didn't see it years ago, and over the years, all that sawdust has got down in there. Now, sawdust shouldn't arc, I wouldn't think, but in this case, somehow it did. And it actually started to burn inside the box, and that's what caught the whole box on fire. So I was kind of freaking out about it, and I went to all my outlet boxes, and I was shocked at what I saw. We usually tape our outlets that we're not using. In this case, the cover of the outlet wasn't tight to the wall. So there was a little bit of room there for fine dust to get down. Whether you have the best ventilation, you've got all your saws hooked up, you still have fine dust in your shop. You're gonna have it. So what we're gonna do now in both of our shops is probably every 6 months, I'm gonna get one of my guys to go around and take off every outlet cover and blow them all out and make sure that we never have this problem again. So hopefully you can learn from my mistake and this doesn't happen to you.